Sorry. Hello, my dear students, and today I am going to tell you another formula on integration. And many thanks, because some of you have given the comments. Clear? And today I am going to tell you about this formula. See here, f of x divided by f dash x divided by f of x into dx is equal to ln mod of f of x plus c. Here f of x is the function and f dash x is the derivative of f of x. F dash x is the derivative of f of x. That means the derivative of denominator will be in the numerator. The derivative of denominator will be in the numerator. Then the answer will be ln of denominator. And you should put a mod because log of negative is only 5 in real cases. But in complex there will be solution, log of negative. But in real analysis, there is no real solution. Clear? So you should put a mod. And either you can write ln or log base c. In derivative and integration, there is no formula of log base 10. All the formulas are log base c. That means ln. You can write log base c or simply ln. Clear? See here. I am going to prove integration f dash x divided by f of x into dx. Let f of x is equal to t. So f dash x into dx is equal to dt. So it is equal to f dash x dx. It is dt by t. And already you know integration of dx by x is ln x. Ln of mod x. Integration of dx by x is ln of mod x. dt by t, it is ln of mod t plus c. And this is ln of t. What is t? F of x mod plus c. Clear? Only see here, you should arrange in a systematic way and nothing you want to do. No external factor is required. Only constant, you can multiply some constant or you should divide some constant like this. Only you should arrange in a systematic way. Just like while dress up and while doing anything, while taking meals or eating something, you are eating in a systematic way. So you should write in a systematic way. That means a proper arrangement you should do. See here how I am doing it. This one. See here, what is the derivative of denominator? The derivative of x square is 2x and the derivative of 3x is 3 and the derivative of 2 is 0. That means derivative denominator is 2x plus 3 and it is in the numerator. So the answer will be ln of x square plus 3x plus 2. You should write directly. Clear? Another example I am giving you. Integration sec square x divided 2 plus 3 tan x into dx. Now what is the derivative denominator? The derivative 2 is 0 and 3 into tan x and 3 and the derivative tan x is sec square x. So 3 sec square x. The derivative denominator is 3 sec square x. But in the numerator only sec square x is there. So divide 3 here and multiply 3 here. Now the numerator is the derivative of denominator. So 1 by 3 ln of 2 plus 3 tan x. You should put a mod here, then plus c. Clear? Another question. integration one by x log x. How to do this one? From the very beginning, I have told you, you should arrange in a systematic way. Another thing. First, try the derivative of the denominator. That means larger part. Here the larger part is log x. And what is the derivative of log x? It is 1 by x. So 1 by x is there. So I can write 1 by x, put a bracket here, divided by log x into dx. Here, the derivative of denominator is in the numerator because the derivative of log x is 1 by x. So what will be the answer? Ln of ln x. And you should put a mod here. Log x means ln x. If there, I have told you, if there is no base, then you should consider the base as e. And if the base is other than e, then it will be previously indicated in the question. If there is no base, then consider it as a base e. Clear? See here, another question. One by x into 1 plus 2 log x. I have told you, first try the derivative of the larger part. What is the derivative of larger part? 1 plus 2 log x. What is the derivative of this one? The derivative of 1 is 0 and 2 into log x. What is the derivative of log x? 1 by x. That means 2 by x. Derivative of this part is 2 by x. 1 by x is there. Only 2 is required. So I can write 1 by 2 into 2. So this one I can write like this. 2 by x. So again, or here, in this case I am writing, in the next step, I can write 2 by x. I am taking x to the numerator, then 1 plus 2 log x into dx, and here I am writing 1 by 2. I am dividing 2 and here multiplying 2. I am taking x to the numerator, so that the denominator is 2 by x. Derivative of 1 is 0 and 2 into 1 by x, so that is 2 by x. So it will be 1 by 2 ln of 1 plus 2 ln x. Put a mod here, plus. So this is the answer. Clear? Another question, see here. Only you should write it in a systematic way. And you should not do anything. Clear? See here. How to do this one? Think for 3 seconds. I am giving you 3 seconds. Over 1 plus sin 2x. It is sin x plus cos x whole square. Because 1 is sin square x plus cos square x and sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. So a square plus b square plus 2ab sin x plus cos x whole square, and whole square root over will cancel out. Cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x into dx. And the derivative of sin x is cos x and the derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So the derivative denominator is in the numerator. So answer is ln of cos x plus sin x mod plus c. Clear? Another question I am giving you. I am giving this example upon exponential functions. Here, see here, the derivative 2 is 0 and 3 into e to the x, and the derivative 3 is 3, simply 3 into e to the x, that means the derivative e to the x is e to the x, so it will be 3 into e to the x. but e to the x is there, but there is no 3. So you should multiply 3 in the numerator and divide 3 in the outside. So I can write 1 by 3, 3 into e to the x, divided by 2 plus 3 into e to the x. Clear? It is clear or not? See here. Now the derivative denominator is in the numerator. So what is the formula? 1 by 3 ln of 2 plus 3 into e to the x plus c. Clear? See, another example I am giving you. E to the x by e to the x plus e to the minus x into dx. Simply write e to the minus x equal to 1 by e to the x. E to the power minus x can be written as e to the power x, 1 by e to the power x. So write it 1 by e to the power x. Then take the LCM. After taking the LCM, then take the denominator to the numerator. So it will become e to the power 2x divided by e to the 2x plus 1 into dx. Clear? I am not omitting these steps. You should do also directly. Clear? Now what is the derivative denominator? The derivative one is 0. Big 0. And the derivative e to the 2x is e to the 2x into derivative 2x is 2. So you should multiply 2 and divide by 2. Now the derivative denominator is in the numerator. So 1 by 2 ln of e to the 2x plus 1 plus c. Clear? See here. See, in the description I give you the formula, that means standard formula on integrations. And first of all you should remember the formulas. Clear? I will give you all the formulas on definite and indefinite integrations. First of all remember the formulas, and I will give you the formula of derivatives also, because the derivatives are also required. Both derivative and integration formula will be given in the description. Please download from the description. Okay. Now see here. Another example. Tell me, what type of example you want? See here. 1 by 1 minus x square root over into sin inverse x. Which one is the complicated part? Sin inverse x is the complicated part. Clear? And what is the derivative of sin inverse x? 1 by 1 minus x square root over 1 by root over of 1 minus x square. Clear? So we can write 1 by 1 minus x square root over in the numerator like this, divided by sin inverse x. I am rearranging this one like this. Here, and the derivative denominator is this one. So it will be ln of sin inverse x plus c. Clear? Clear or not? See here. Actually, integration is very easy. The condition is that you should remember the derivatives, and the derivatives will be easy if you remember the formula on trigonometry and the formula on derivatives. Clear? First of all, you should remember the formulas on trigonometry, then you should remember the formulas on derivatives, then the formula on integrations, then do this one. Apply the tricks. See, formula is different, form is different, trick is different. All are different things. standard formula are there and forms are there. If the question is in this form, so you should do like this. Those are called forms. And tricks are there, that way in which you can apply directly without taking anything. See here, the way I am doing, you are thinking that then what is the meaning of integration? So I is applying directly the formula, simply arranging and writing the formula directly. So this is called the trick. Clear? Thank you.